Okay, this is that door check that I just took out of the Chrysler. Things put together pretty strong, so I'm gonna pry this thing open. Let's see what's on the inside of it. Let's see what's all the there we go. Well, that was easy. What all the racket's about. Okay, as we can see, aha! Look at that. 2 springs. So apparently, the way this looks, it must be a ball that rolls in and out, and that popping we're probably hearing may be that. Let me take a screwdriver here. See if these are the retainers. I'm going to take it for a spring. Watch me get myself hitting the head here. Yeah, let me clamp this down real quick. Here, we'll do one side just in case. All right. I'm going to pop one out. There we go. Whoop. Yeah, there it is. Here's what we're hearing. There's the ball. There's a spring. And push this back through. And right here, there it is. See that spot? That's where that ball snaps into. Bam. So what we're hearing, see how that's broke? We're probably hearing that click and snapping and popping out. Looks like there was some grease on this from the factory. As far as trying to grease one of these, now that I look at it, I know I said I wasn't sure about the grease, kind of. I don't know if you might want to try. You can kind of see where this is. Makes you wonder, maybe you can drill a little hole right here and one right here, like on each side of where that door check is. Let's see if we got this on here. Put a little one there and there. Probably with a little needle and a grease gun, you could probably try to shoot some grease in where them little balls are. Try it. Maybe it will stop clicking. Or if not, well, now we know. And there it is. That's the inside. It's got a spring, a retainer, and then there we go. And it all rides right here on the inside of that. Our clicking and popping. From what I'm looking at here, it looks like this must have slid back, so that thing's going way beyond. And there it is. Click, click. Hope this helps. Thank you.